So for those of you like myself that do not like waiting for things, I'm going to show you guys how to install the latest iOS 12 on your iPhone before release. So first you're going to want to head over to the Apple Beta program site, which I'll have in the description. And if you have an Apple ID, you will want to sign in with your Apple ID or create one if you do not have one yet. For myself, I do have a two-step verification process, so it will require me to put in a code that it will send to another one of my Apple devices. Now, this code is only used once, so I didn't need to blur it out. Alright, let's go. Well, it also showed up on my MacBook, but we'll go ahead and skip that because I already had one for my phone. So now, next we're just going to go over what's available. So iOS 12 is now available, the public beta to download, and one of the first things they say is that you will be providing feedback on how the software is going and to back up your device. That's very important. Now, when you click on Enroll Device, it will walk you through the steps on how to have this update on your phone. You will need to download this profile onto your iPhone, but it requires that this part is actually done from your phone by following the link there, beta.apple.com/profile. So what you're going to want to do is head over to that website on your phone, and as you see here from the steps on their website, it will continue the walkthrough to get the iOS 12 update added onto your phone. So now we're going to go over to the device and type in that site, beta.apple.com/profile. It will require you to sign back in to your Apple ID because now we're in a new browser. And you'll notice it's the same exact site. It's not any different. So hold on 1 second. Let me just go ahead and sign in. There we go. So then with that two-step verification again, let me just put this in there. Now this will happen anytime you switch browser or it's a new browser that your phone or laptop does not recognize. You will be required to add in that two-step verification if you have that feature turned on your Apple ID. And this provides extra protection for those who are wondering what that is. So now that we're signed in, we're going to go through the same process. You're going to click on Enroll Your Devices. When you click on Enroll Your Devices, it's going to look a little different than it did on the website, because what it will do is it will open up a prompt to ask you to install a profile onto your device. And you're going to want to do that. Now you're going to choose the device that you're installing this on, which in this case is a phone, and it will bring you into the settings and ask you if you want to install the iOS 12 beta profile. So go ahead and enter your PIN, and you can read through the consent if you'd like, but I'll agree anyway. And from here, you're going to want to restart your phone. It won't complete until the phone is actually restarted. Alright, now it's been restarted. Now, when you go into the software update after the profile has been added, you will see that it gives you the option to install the iOS 12 beta. You will need to connect to a Wi-Fi connection in order for this to work. It will not work via your 4G LTE. Once you're connected to your Wi-Fi, you can go back to the software update, and the download and install should turn blue, which is the OK to then click on that, and you will be prompted to enter your phone PIN. There's my PIN there, which I'll have to reset now, and it will request the update for you. From there, you'll notice right under where it says iOS Public Beta 4, there's the estimated time remaining. This will be based on your connection and pretty much how much time this update will take. So we'll let it do its thing for now, and we'll be back. Fast forward a little bit. Once the software is downloaded, you will notice that it will change to preparing update. So it's downloading. Now your phone is just unpacking this update in order to install it on your device. Alright, everything's done. The prompt will change to install now. You're just going to want to hit install now. Now your phone will verify this update, to make sure it's official, which it will be. This comes directly from Apple, and from there, again, your device will restart in order to install this update. Once your device comes back on, you'll notice it lets you know that the update was complete, and it will give you different prompts to go through. One of the new features is screen time, which I'll show you guys briefly once I go through the setup. iPhone analytics, the typical stuff from your phone being installed. Now you'll notice that my phone is back to normal. Now if we go back into my settings, you will notice that I am now on version 12 of iOS. So here's screen time. Screen time is a cool new feature that pretty much lets you know everything that you're doing on your phone to know if you're using it excessively or not. It even gives you a breakdown on if you're doing social media, online browsing, videos, and whatnot. So for those of you who installed iOS 12, make sure you share and subscribe and leave a comment below letting me know how you like your new operating system.